Hello there, welcome back. UV resin hard. Add a tiny amount of UV resin on a silicone surface, spread it around. Place the big rhinestone. Add the first layer. The second layer. And the last layer. Make sure there is resin underneath the rhinestones, otherwise it won't stick together. Cure with UV light for 1 minute each side. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, it helps a lot. Add a coat of UV resin at the back to strengthen it. Cure for 1 minute. Repeat the same process for the second earring. Time to assemble the pieces. Let me know, how do you find it?